Hi guys, how are you? Happy today. It is another cleaning day here for me, and I was just going through all my plants and watering them and cleaning them, and I thought, why not create a little video and show you guys how I created a little sacred space for myself during the pandemic, right back in April. Yeah, March, April. I decided that I needed to bring more calmness and more zen and more like really good energy and vibe to my home. So I decided to kind of transform a section of my home into a little oasis, and yeah, I've been just enjoying it ever since. And these gorgeous plants are bringing a lot of peace and a lot of good energy and a lot of awesome oxygen to my home, and it has definitely made a huge impact. So I wanted to firstly inspire you guys to create a section like this for yourself, but also just remember that any live plant, anything green, will make a huge impact in your lives, and it will definitely purify your spaces, and it will in a long term have a huge impact in your relationships, in your mood, and in your flow of the energy of your house. So keep that in mind, and I'm just gonna go clean. I'll be vacuuming a little bit, I'll be cleaning and dusting off things, so I'll put you guys on a time lapse. Okay, let's get to work. Things are looking good. Turn on lovely incense. Alrighty, I hope you kind of got a sense of what I did. I'm gonna do a little quick video of the close-ups of what I created, and I hope you guys enjoyed what we just did. Obviously, I just did a little bit of a cleaning, reorganizing, reshifting some of the plants to make sure they all have enough space, and yeah, it just feels really good. And I also just started burning an incense, which purifies more of the space and cleanses the energy. And honestly, one of the biggest things that I started focusing on, like in the past year in 2020, was trying to make sure to bring as much good energy and peace and calmness to my home, because we're spending a lot of time at home. So that was one of the biggest reasons that I started bringing more plants and creating little spaces that brings more peace and joy. Also, I'm reading this book, The Magic. It's a 28 day of gratitude journal, so check it out if you haven't, because it's one of my favorite books. I've been really enjoying it. I'm almost done with it, and it's been a beautiful journey of practicing gratitude at a different level. Speaking of gratitude, thank you so much. I am beyond grateful for your love and kindness on this channel, and for watching me and what I'm creating for you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys what we're up to in 2021, and lots of exciting things. Subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, let me know what else you would like to see, and I'll be more than honored to create them for you. Much love and light to you guys, and see you next time. Mwah.